This one's being really difficult. Doesn't seem to want to come off. I'm not sure. Might have been better off using a different type of bit. But this step here is extremely important because this is your gas supply for your helicopter, and without that, your helicopter's not going to run. That finally came off. So I'm not 100% sure. They probably actually have a special tool designed for drilling these holes. It's not perfectly circular. I'm trying to get all the residual plastic off, so that's not going to work its way loose and come off and get inside the fuel tank later on. I have to do some more research on this because there may actually be a special tool for drilling these holes like these. Say, okay, so now we have our 3 holes. Looks pretty clean inside there. I'd considered taking piece of tape to put inside to try to catch all of the plastic shavings. Alright, I'm not seeing anything else inside there. Next step is going to be getting these rubber grommet pieces put inside. That went in pretty easily. And I did just reuse the original rubber grommets or rubber nipples, whatever these are called. I considered drilling the hole a little bit smaller than what was on the original gas tank. And this one's not wanting to go in. So when you drill these holes, the thing you have to ensure is that you put it far enough out that you can push. It doesn't interfere with your fuel tank, because you have to be able to push the fuel tank in so far. And if you drill your holes, these rubber pieces are going to prevent. This one is just really tight. This one is not cooperating whatsoever. Okay, there it goes. Just pushed it in straight. There's like one more shaving. Okay. Let's see. I believe that's all the shavings. These seem to be in there pretty good. Okay, so the first one is going to be your fuel pickup line. I went with a larger diameter hose. I'm hoping that this will work. It's probably easier said than done, getting that hose in through there. This isn't cut exactly straight. It's a little bit better. This is a really thick hose. So the original hose that went through there was the black hose, and I just prefer the clear, it's not completely opaque, yellow hose. So I'm not sure. There is smaller yellow hose. This is very challenging to thread that through there. It should be long enough. So I might have to pull that out of there, put the hose through first. And the way it's looking, to be honest, I think this one is just going to be too thick.